All right, y'all, so I just finished printing out this design right here, and what it is a customer ordered a sweatshirt and a shirt of one of my designs, and they wanted it to be an extra large print. So this is the design that they went with, and as you can see, this is a very large transfer, and we're gonna go ahead and get it done up for them. All right, so I got my design centered on the shirt, and we're gonna go ahead and get it pressed. And I press my designs at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 seconds. All right, so that has finished pressing, and then I'm gonna peel it quickly. And there's our design right there. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add my finishing sheet and press it for 5 seconds at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so that has finished pressing. Let's go ahead and remove the finishing sheet so y'all can see how the design is looking. All right, y'all, so here's the design up close. As you can see, the colors are nice and vibrant. This design here was printed on the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer, and I utilized my own brand of ink. And speaking of ink, if anybody has the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer and you're looking for some of their ink, I do have 4 cases of their ink that I am selling because I no longer need it because, like I said, I have my own brand of ink. And just to show y'all, I do have a lot of new designs that I've been working on that are available on my website. So, got this one right here. I know y'all may have seen this one here, this one here. This one here. And like I said, I do all kinds of designs. I actually design stuff every single day. This one here. But yes, I got tons of new designs that are available. But if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, consider subscribing to the channel, clicking that notification bell so you don't miss none of my future videos. And as always, thank y'all for watching.